Hello everyone, welcome to Cellopedia, this is Maxim. Do you need to know how to play a melodic scale, but confused? It might look like a fairly simple scale, but the notes on the way up are different compared to the notes on the way down. Well, in short, the difference is only in note number 6 and 7. Those are the notes you have to pay attention. On the way up, they are half a step higher than the same notes on the way down. But, this is not the music theory lesson. I will play each of those most commonly used melodic scales 2 times for you. One time you will see me full frame, and the second time you will see a close-up of my left hand. For those of you who are using tapes on a fingerboard, I'm using this student quality cello with all tapes here. This is different cello compared to the one I'm usually using for Cellopedia videos. But I thought it might be helpful for you. So here you go. We'll start with A minor scale, which doesn't have sharps or flats as a key signature, and after that I will play all other scales in order of number of sharps or flats. In order to help you to find a particular scale you're looking for, I put all scales in the description with a timestamp. So you can just click on the scale you're looking for. You will hear each scale in tempo 1 note, 60 beats per minute.
In case you're looking for a reasonably priced cello you can buy online, like the one I'm using now, please look at the description. I put few links to help you to find the cello you can start your journey with. These were 7 minor melodic cello to octave scales you might need to learn. I played all of them up to 3 sharps and 3 flats. Thank you for watching. I hoped you learned something and come back to more videos from Cellopedia.